Yo, what's going on, folks? Welcome back to the set where I am your boy, Money Matt. And today, bro, we're gonna talk about the SNKRS Reserve. Because Nike just realistically, maybe a month or so ago, they just flipped the script. They dropped what we call now the SNKRS Reserve. And they debuted with the Kobe 3 Christmases, or Christmas side. You know what I'm saying. Basically, it's Nike saying, hey, we're gonna let you pre-order this sneaker like you pre-order games from GameStop or you pre-order things from Best Buy. So the question is this a W that we've been looking for when it talks about sneakers? Is this what we asked for? Is this what we want? Or did Nike just kill the hunt? You already know it, folks, man. I ain't gonna waste your time. Let's talk about it. Okay, so here's how this works, right? You hop on SNKRS, you reserve a pair of shoes in your size. You pay up front, and then you wait, and you wait, and you wait for Nike to actually make your pair, and they ship it to you. No more fighting bots, no more making sure you're up for the 10 a.m. heartbreak that we always get. No more staring at the spinning wheel like it's a wheel of fortune or a wheel of fate. No more praying to the sneaker gods that you actually hit. It's just simply click, boom. You wait, you reserve your pair, you have your pair. It sounds perfect, right? Well, not so fast. Not so fast. So first off, this is amazing if you're tired of sneakers handing you out L's like you asking for candy at trick or treat, or asking for that L just because you have a itch that you need to scratch. No more are the days of, hey, oh man, I got them. Oh, I didn't get them. Oh, no. No more of those days. And let's be real, man. With this SNKRS Reserve, your wallet might just cry, but your soul doesn't. Plus, this could put a dent, and I know we've been talking about this. This could put a dent in resellers. StockX they just may need to start selling milk and eggs, because we know the price of milk and eggs are going through the roof. They may need to start selling those on StockX because the resale market could get a little quiet. But here's the flip side of that. Doesn't this kind of take away the thrill of the sneaker market? Does it? Like, let's just keep it a buck. Sneaker culture has always had that adrenaline rush, that chase, camping out, things like that within the culture. The heartbreak that we always get when we know damn well we're not gonna get that shoe on SNKRS, but we try to get it anyway. No longer will you have to search for that therapy session on Twitter and Discord showing your L's for everybody. Right? I'm just saying, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just here providing the service for you here on the set. Now, if copying is as easy as pre-ordering DoorDash, is it even special anymore? I'm just asking the question because I know where I lie on this. Like, am I really supposed to unbox my sneakers with the same energy months later after I've already paid for it, like I'm opening a pack of Amazon socks? Am I really supposed to be that excited? Some may say yes, some may be like, this shit for the birds. I need instant gratification. I'll let you know where I fall on that side of the spectrum a little bit later in the video. The hunt was always a part of the story. You didn't just get a shoe. You got the trauma that came with it most often when you talk about, okay, I copped or I didn't cop. And you wore that like it was a badge of honor. Now it's like, oh yeah, I pre-ordered these months ago and I kind of forgot about them. They showed up at my doorstep while I was going to check my mail. I got light bill and I got some sneakers that I pre-ordered months ago. Does that kill the magic? Or does it make the game a whole lot fair? Let me know down in the comment section where you fall at on this, because it's a different dynamic. I think the majority of people will say that this is something that they have been asking for. And those, my friends, are the true lovers of sneakers. Not the hype, not all of the bullshit that's associated with it. That's what it is for them. So, what do you actually think? Is SNKRS Reserve the future of procuring those shoes that we all know and love? Or is Nike robbing us of the thrill and the hype and all the other shit that's associated with copping a pair of sneakers? Do you want a pair of sneakers to feel like an achievement that has been unlocked? Or you want it to feel like something off Amazon Prime? Let me know down in the comment section, because I really want to hear how you feel about this one. Feel on this one. For me, again, I'm in between. I'm an instant gratification type person. I need to have it when I make a major purchase. But there is something to be said about pre-ordering a very limited type shoe or something that I just really want and I don't want to deal with all the muss and fuss. That's where I'm at with it. But again, man, maybe now we can stop pretending like the Wi-Fi speeds, your IP address, all that other bullshit was keeping you from copping sneakers. Because spoiler alert, folks, it wasn't none of that. It was your Wi-Fi. Just kidding. It was the SNKRS app, and we all know it. The SNKRS app is trash. You play the odds, you have a better chance of hitting the lottery sometimes than copping a pair of Travis Scotts. Sometimes. Or a highly sought after pair of Dunks, because the bots ate. But let me know down in the comment section, bruh. I'm your boy Money Matt here on the set. I bid you folks adieu. Oh yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the set, where we have the opportunity to have these, how should I say this? Deep thinking conversations here on the set, but we also do reviews on sneakers, electronics, and toys. I'm your boy Money Matt, folks. I'm gonna get on out here and go do something important with the rest of my day, as you should as well. I bid you folks adieu. Peace.